Shangrongshalo Agulini Kaisa Hotelo Tata Strive and Indian Hotels Company Limited Hospitality Skill Development Center of Excellence Songjagnani Bagai Agreement Khwlaijaka Assam Hastini Yagulu Tripura Hastidi Khumulungo Snamjak Sinai Hine Agreement Khwlaijaka
Company Limited. Just let me read out the gist. This memorandum of understanding MOU is executed on 7th day of November 2024, hereinafter referred as execution date and effective from 7th day of November 2024, hereinafter referred as effective date at Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council by and between Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council TTADC, Tata Community Initiatives Trust and the Indian Hotels Company Limited. The parties have agreed to sign this MOU to implement skill training in tourism and hospitality sectors for the benefit of youth of Tripura for developing a state-of-the-art hospitality training center of excellence in Khumulung, West Tripura district.
It's indeed a historic day. आज ऐतिहासिक दिन है कि after Assam, Tata Strive Indian Hotel Company Limited, which is a part of Tata Taj Group of Hotels, TTADC, after Assam has decided to open up a hospitality center of excellence in Khumulung. It will be a 250 student residential hospitality skill center, जहाँ में our youngsters, our youth from Tripura and from the rest of Northeast will get proper management training for the service sector, hotel sector, and will also get proper practical knowledge training from the IHCL, which is popularly known as the Taj Group of Hotels. Tata is one of the most reputed companies in the country. We all know what the Tata brand stands for. Many people had approached us. इससे पहले भी बहुत लोगों ने हमें approach किया था. But we thought that if we have to get our youngsters, our young boys and girls, a better tomorrow, a certification from the Tata Group, along with IHCL, which is the Taj Group of Hotels, will actually enhance the employability and the credibility of all the parties concerned. I would like to thank the CEO of Tata Strive. They have got over 50 centers in India, but after Assam, Tripura is the second one, and we are very happy that ADC is tied up with them. 50 centers for the last 10 years across India, giving skills not only in the field of hospitality, but in IT, in engineering, in electrical engineering, in various forms to ensure that our next generation gets a better skill set. I would also like to thank the IHCL area cluster director, Jayanta, who is not only heading the Taj Group of Hotels or IHCL for the Northeast and North Bengal, but also for Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. He is present amongst us. I would like to thank my CEM, who has been very cooperative. I would like to thank my Minister for Industries, under which skill development comes in, for taking part. My CEO, CK Jamatia, our Honorable MP, who will also help us in taking matters regarding skill development in Delhi, in the Parliament and beyond that. And everyone in the media also. ये एक अच्छा चीज़ है. My biggest challenge, I believe, is to create a new Tripura where our youngsters get a better future by getting proper certification, proper skill. Our people of Tripura, our youngsters of Tripura have as much talent as anyone. Talent की कमी नहीं है. लेकिन because of legacy issues, because of lack of proper communication, because of exposure, we were not able to get our youngsters, boys and girls, into proper placements. Today, a boy, a girl who passes out from any hotel management, if he is getting a job of 15, 20,000, once they get a certificate and practical experience from Tata and Taj Group of hotels, their chance of salary will be not only 20,000 but 40,000, maybe even more. Today, if we can create an ecosystem where we become the torch bearers, or not only in front office, not only in F&B, not only in restaurant or kitchen, we can also create entrepreneurship. So this is a step in the right direction. I also would like to mention that we would require help from CSR. Tata Trust itself is going to look after from their own component part of the fees of the students. From the ADC, we are also going to subsidize it. Other PSUs also come up with the CSR so that we can make this entire course, which is one of the best in India, completely affordable to our young boys and girls who want a better tomorrow. I would also like the media I would like to thank you all. Many times people have said that ADC क्या कर रहा है, बहुत मुश्किल होता है, बहुत कठिनाई आती है, लेकिन मैंने सोचा है कि अगर हम अपने बच्चे को कल अच्छा भविष्य दे सकते हैं तो हमारा एक कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा निकलेगा. I have requested that ये सेंटर में people from across Tripura should come. Residential है, 250 का है. We hope that if this is successful, आने वाले 4 साल के बाद, 3 साल के बाद हम 500 करेंगे इसको. लेकिन ये पूरा रेजिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम है. यहाँ में सिर्फ आपको स्किल नहीं सिखाया जाएगा, आपका ओरिएंटेशन होगा. You will be taught how to work as a team. You will be given classes. Laboratories will be set up by the Tata Strive group along with IHCL. Cooking classes, front office, laundry. There are many other departments. Communication skill. All these will be taught, and this will only help our people get more employment, and good employment, potentially employment which will take us not only jobs in Tripura but outside Tripura as well, maybe even internationally. So I would like to thank everyone. आप लोग यहाँ में आए हैं. If there is anything else that you would like to add, you're most welcome, or media can ask.